and you can get them by the stem, and we can put them together ourselves, get some in there, and stuff, and we can do it. If we're
I suggested that we could grow our own. You're not gonna get them.
It doesn't help that she picked a kind of flower.
What kind of flower is it?
Calla lily.
Well,
You know what that is?
Put this one.
if I ever
Put
get
this
married,
one right
I'm
here.
just going to the store the day before.
Keep this on here.
You are not either.
They're pretty.
There we go.
No,
A flower
one.
is a flower.
This
they
one.
sell fake flowers. You want real, decent flowers.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
know what? When you get married, me and you gonna go rounds. I can tell already.
Oh, yeah.
She's so gonna do the ramen noodle thing that we joked about.
What about me?
Remember when we said to RSVP
This one.
if they wanted chicken, beef, or shrimp, and then hand them ramen noodle packet plate?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh,
Tall. Yeah, good job.
No, you
Go
remember
up
that?
high.
No, I don't remember that.
Me, you and Ashley were joking about that. Yeah, it was years ago.
Yeah.
Oh, that.
Orange and red and pink.
Chicken,
Oh, it
shrimp,
stopped.
or
It
beef.
stops on its own after a
Hand
little
them
while,
ramen
huh?
noodle Caesar
You have to push it.
packet that put it on their plate snack.
Yeah. Where you go with it? There you go.
What are we doing wedding stuff right now for?
Ashley.
That is good.
When is their wedding?
Chili in mine.
It's like in March.
I thought we could have
got a
chili
long
and actually shower.
You'd be surprised how fast it comes.
We need to do